All right, good morning, everybody. So, only one trade yesterday was for 25 shares and $9 because I really didn't like how anything was moving. So, posted that in the community, but didn't make a video today. I do have a couple trades all on Starbucks, so we're gonna break that down. I'm calling it an early day today because I got a lot of work out on the lawn to do, getting into the fall overseeding lawn renovation season. Excited to get out there and do it. So, hopefully, you guys enjoy this video. About to be or just hit 1,000 subscribers, so do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button before we get into it. Let's trade. Alright, so watching Starbucks here out of the opening gate, you can see it's getting above the pre-market highs here. I'm going to go ahead and get short 200 shares here at 91.21, hitting about a 14.15 here on the scanner up in the 91.20s. Actually got up to 91.50 there real quick, so not quite towards the top of this candle move, but still in pretty good average here with those 200 shares at 91.21. And I'll look to start piecing this one out as it goes. If we can get down below 90 here, well, there we go. It's below 91, so I'll go ahead and click the button on half there, get half filled there at 90.95. So out 100 shares, still 100 shares left here in Starbucks, and we're going to see if we can get these to continue back down a little bit further. It's got a lot more room that it could pull back here. I'm not sure what the news was here on Starbucks this morning. I heard something about they were changing their business plan to get even bigger or something. I have no idea, but either way, it didn't really matter to me because it was making that nice move all the way up through pre-market highs, alerting on the scanner, big extended fast move, good volume, so all the criteria was there, and we're just going to see what happens from here. So still sitting in those 100 shares with that 91.21 average. Now I'm thinking, okay, if we can get down below 90.80 here, probably take another 50 shares off. So I'm watching the bids come down into the low 80s. Can it get below 90.80? There's 90.80. Can it get below 90.80? There's below. I'm going to click the button. I get the fill right there at 90.80 on those 50 shares. So down to just 50 shares left now in Starbucks. And either those are going to run lower and make some more money, looking down at least towards like 90.50 would be the idea, down towards that VWAP, which is down around like 938 or so at this time of the day. So kind of looking for that on the remaining 50 shares here if they want to continue back down to the downside. But that's not what Starbucks decided it wanted to do here. It decided it wanted to rip right back up. So gonna kind of pick and choose what I want to do here. I got 50 shares in at 91.21, so I can easily add back into this one if it makes a decent enough move here up through the 91.50. So I'm watching it here as we move back up towards 91.50, but not going to click it unless we can get up through those previous highs here, because I want at least it to be a break through those previous highs. So there it is. That's up through. I click the button. I get filled 50 shares at 91.56. Now I'm back in with 100 shares at an average of 91.39. And with these, when I'm recycling here, I'm not looking for nearly as much here, just because it's how it's pieced in. So if we can get these below probably 91.30 down towards 91.20, I'll probably look to take off the full share size here. So it's coming down into the 91.30s, looking for a little bit more. There's 91.20. I click the button, I get the fill at 91.25. So not a big win there on those 100 shares, but adding a little bit of money here and up $60 so far in Starbucks right before it crashes down towards 91 again. But right after this, 2 minutes later, it's now making new highs. So I'm watching it here, looking to see what it does here at 92. Can it get through 90 through? There, it's through 92 and struggling to make it push up stronger through there. So I'm going to go ahead and get short 100 shares here at 92. Only 100 shares this time because the move isn't nearly as nice. It's not nearly as extended as it was the first time, so a little bit easier on this one. Several minutes goes by and I was going to add through 92.50. You can see it almost got up there, but it didn't quite break through 92.50. So I said, okay, fine. I'll just put an order out down here at 91.80. Just try and add a little bit to it since I didn't get the add up towards the top of this move. It comes down. It gets me the fill there at 91.80 for an extra $20, which brings me up to plus $80 on the day on Starbucks. So, you know, could have done better, maybe could have done worse here overall on Starbucks, but still was able to make $80 on it, and I will move on. I got a whole bunch of yard work to do today, so I'm going to go hit that. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. I'll see you later.